In 2018, I suffered a head injury which crushed some vertebrae and my spinal cord. I was rushed to Robert Wood Johnson in Somerset emergency room. I needed 6 neck and back surgeries. So, the doctor put me on permanent disability. So about a year later, I lost my wife of 27 years. My wife was the person who paid the bills, took care of the kids. I went to work, and within like 6 or 7 months, I fell into a hardship and I lost my townhouse that we lived in, me and my son.
That led Vito to live in a hotel. And unfortunately, hotels cost a lot of money.
It's like, okay, I got the hotel covered, but now I got to pay storage and put food on the table. So that was really tough. That was a day-to-day, hour-to-hour, minute by minute.
All of his income that was coming in was going to pay for his housing. So Vito could never get out of that cycle and build up equity to either buy or rent something of his own.
So many people can find themselves in the same position as Vito and his son. A health crisis can cause great financial strain and lead to housing insecurity.
Healing Homes opened up, and through our partnerships with Home of Somerset County and various organizations, Vito had heard about our program and applied.
It was a great opportunity. You only get one of these opportunities in a lifetime. So at that time, I did take the opportunity to go into Healing Homes.
We were so proud to work with Vito and his son to provide them safe, stable housing, while we could then also support them through gaining financial tools, skills, and knowledge to create long-term stability.
Healing Homes is a transitional housing initiative that RWJ Somerset started back in 2019 as a way to address social determinants of health. The goal of Healing Homes is to assist those individuals in becoming more stable. They have to work, they have to make under the HUD income guidelines, and in working, they'll bank 30% of their income towards housing with the goal after 24 months to either buy or rent something of their own. Healing Homes clients are supported by a case manager and approximately 20 organizations that provide their expertise and services, such as financial counseling, match programs, nutrition education, just to name a few.
You always have your doubts about things, and you're like, oh, is this really gonna work for me and gonna fit in? But they all made me feel very comfortable. Once the program's over, I am definitely going to miss everyone from Healing Homes. The whole task force itself has helped me succeed to achieve things that I thought I'd never achieve.